It's literally 2 in the morning and I just did a full glam like makeup look. Why am I like this? Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I finally got to go to Ulta, finally. And I got to pick up this beautiful palette by Morphe and Maddie Ziegler. They did a collaboration and I decided to pick up this palette because I thought it was super cute, super fun and different. And I just wanted to do like a first impressions kind of video, trying it out, showing you a look that I made from it. I did the look that I tried to do a look kind of inspired by the one on the back of the packaging, how she kind of has the blue, purple, and pink smoked out look. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some swatches as well because I was honestly really impressed with the quality of this palette. I think the colors are super wearable, super fun, and different as well. So you can kind of do a mixture. If you want to just go for a more natural, normal daytime look, you can. And if you want to do a fun pop of color or do something colorful, you can do that as well. And the quality is honestly so good for I believe it was $24, $25. You cannot beat this. This is such an amazing palette. I really loved it and I want to share with you guys this fun look that I created. So let's just go ahead and get started. I went ahead and I took the shade number 5 and I started to pack that on my eye with my finger, and then I kind of used my blending brush to just kind of fluff the color out and disperse it a little bit. Next, I went in with the shade called She Insists, and I basically just repeated the same step but keeping that in the middle of my eye, and I just packed it on with my finger and also blended it in with my blending brush and kind of just combined it with the blue. I went in with a really pretty metallic called Dancing Queen, and I also used a shade called Crust just to make it a little bit brighter, and I blended those two, kind of dragging them outwards on my eye and also blending them in with the purple to create the really pretty pastel transition. Then for my lower lash line, I went back in with the shade She Insists, the really pretty purple, and I just dragged that along my lower lash line and kind of gave it a blended smoky look. Then for my inner corner, I decided to use the shade called Godmom, and I just used that to kind of highlight that area, and I just packed it on with my finger. Then I took the shade called To the Moon and I barely tapped that just to get some of the sparkle from it, and I just placed that on my lid to give a little bit of an extra shine. And then I went in with my liner and some Lily lashes in the style Miami. Then I went in with my NYX lip liner in the shade Soft Spoken and the new Maybelline Lifter gloss in the shade Moon. I really have been loving that combo. It just gives you a really nice full juicy lip look, and it is a really good dupe for the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb if you're looking for something that's a little bit more affordable. This ended up being the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. And don't forget to subscribe down below, like, and comment any video ideas you guys might have. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one.